Okay, so now that I've finished writing the latest book, I can finally get on with my landscape photography project. In fact, this past weekend I started it, spent some time with some friends over in Wales, Anthony Crothers and Ian Munro. We were driving around the Brecon beacons, absolutely stunning place. On the Saturday, we spent some real quality time there, and on the Sunday morning I got up really early. Having gone to bed at 12:30 in the morning, I got up at 3:30 to go and take my first landscape project photograph that we kind of planned where I was going to go. So I'm not going to be stopping doing portraits. That's pretty much what I'm known for, and I absolutely love to do. But the goal I've set myself with this landscape photography is that I want to be able to have a picture that I would proudly hang on the wall in my house, because I can't really do that as a portrait photographer, really, because a lot of the portraits that I take, they're going to either be for a client or it's for a project shoot that I've organised, and they're kind of pictures that I would happily have hanging up in the studio. But I want something that would be I could hang up in the house. Be different if it was a family member, of course, but the other kind of pictures I would happily hang up in the studio. But a landscape, somewhere that I've been and I've been in complete awe about, and it's absolutely beautiful, that's what I want to be able to hang up on the walls in our house. Now, like I said, it's certainly not going to be replacing what I do. I'm not looking to become the next latest and greatest landscape photographer, not by any means. This is purely a selfish project, something that I want to do because I love the outdoors, but I don't get to go outdoors enough because I'm either in the studio photographing or I'm sat in front of the computer working on some pictures. And I do love doing that, but I want to get out more. So combining the outdoors with photography just seems like a bit of a marriage made in heaven, really. So that's what I want to do. And I really suck at landscapes at the moment. So what's great about this is that I feel like a newbie. You know, once again now I feel like a new person to photography. Obviously I know about exposure and composition and stuff like that, but landscape photography is a completely different beast. And boy did I learn that this past weekend. The picture that I actually did is this one here. I kind of like it. There's a lot that I will do differently, but in a year's time I'm going to go back to the exact same location to see how would I approach that location differently. Would I still do the pano, or maybe would I actually focus in on something a little bit more closer and make that more the feature of the picture? I don't know, but that's what's exciting. So it's great feeling like a newbie. It's great having no agenda. I'm not looking for any kind of critique with this. This is purely a journey that I want to go on to see how much can I progress and develop in this particular area of photography. And it's really exciting getting back to basics and almost starting from scratch again. So plus it means I'm going to be spending more time with my wife outdoors, which is fantastic, especially when we get a dog when we move. How good is that going to be? Going out, outdoors, beautiful locations, taking pictures, my wife's going to be with me, our dog's going to be with us. Does it really get any better? To me, that's kind of like my life is complete when I'm going to be doing that. So I'm really looking forward to that. So I just wanted to put this little video together just to kind of update you, those of you who knew I was starting this particular project, because I'd sent it out on social media and to my email group. So this was just to update you, but also just generally to kind of say, look, I've now started it. It's 12 months. We're now in May 2018, and it would be fantastic if from time to time you'd maybe kind of like just check in every now and again on YouTube and on my blog, just to see how I'm getting on, what I'm learning, what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong, everything. That's what I intend to do, is document the whole process. And fingers crossed, in 12 months, in May 2019, I will be able to show you a picture that I've had printed and go, that's the one that I want to have hanging on the walls in my house. But if I don't get to that stage, hey ho, I'm outdoors more, I'm in the fresh air, and I'm enjoying more of what is around me rather than constantly chasing the next latest and greatest and best picture. I'm outdoors enjoying what is already free to enjoy. So I hope this makes sense. I hope you'll join me. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.